Volkswagen has officially introduced the all-new ID POLO GTI, marking the first fully electric model in the 50-year history of the GTI badge. The ID POLO GTI produces 226 horsepower and 290 Newton-meters of torque, sending power to the front wheels through an electronically controlled front differential lock. Volkswagen says the EV can sprint from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in 6.8 seconds and reach a top speed of 175 kilometers per hour. Built on Volkswagen's updated MEB Plus platform, the electric GTI uses a 52 kilowatt-hour net battery pack with a claimed range of up to 424 kilometers. DC fast charging supports up to 105 kilowatts, allowing the battery to charge from 10 to 80% in approximately 24 minutes. Volkswagen says the new model was engineered to preserve the traditional GTI driving feel despite the switch to electric power. Standard equipment includes an adaptive DCC sports chassis, progressive steering, 19-inch alloy wheels, IQ Light LED matrix headlights, and a dedicated GTI driving profile that sharpens throttle response, steering, and suspension settings while changing the cockpit graphics and ambient lighting. Design-wise, the ID POLO GTI carries familiar GTI styling cues, including the signature red front stripe, honeycomb lower grille, sporty roof spoiler, and illuminated VW and GTI elements. Inside, Volkswagen blends retro GTI touches with modern tech, featuring tartan pattern sports seats, red contrast stitching, and a digital cockpit with a retro display mode inspired by the original Golf GTI. Optional features include a 425-watt Harman Kardon sound system, panoramic sunroof, pneumatic massage seats, and specially developed Bridgestone Potenza Sport tires. The vehicle will also support Volkswagen's latest connected travel assist system with traffic light recognition and one-pedal driving capability. Volkswagen plans to open pre-orders in Germany this autumn, with pricing expected to start at just under €39,000.